Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and this is my quick review of this plastic 360 mount I just got. Pretty interesting because it actually has a metal screw in the center and actually is able to accommodate much larger cell phones, which is nice. It is plastic, but it also is pretty well built plastic, which is nice. It swivels 360 degrees for the top section, and it can lock down onto that base area. Uses 1/4 inch standard brass mounts for the top as well as the bottom, so you actually add more stuff. Taking it apart, it basically has a very long screw. It could accommodate more than a 4-inch wide cell phone, which is nice. So it fits my Galaxy Note 20 as well as the 21 Fan Edition very easily, even with a larger case, a more rugged case like this Beetle case, which is neat. Anyways, very cool, very sturdy, mounted and screwed down. It's nice. It also has click points for where to lock down. It's like every, I think, 15 degrees or so, which is nice. I could shake this, but the mount is actually pretty strong, which is nice. And it does lock down. Again, it could swivel 360. So it's pretty versatile, and it's also very lightweight. Normally I would get something metal, but this is actually very good as an alternate because it's much lighter than a metal mounts, and yet it could still mount to a tripod. Of course, it is ABS plastic, which is, it's fine. But like I said, if you just need a quick way to mount your cell phone and rotate it, this is actually a pretty awesome solution. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.